Hey guys, welcome back to ProgramHub, and today in this episode we're gonna talk about VMware, one of the virtualization software that is used on the Mac OS for creating virtual machines. So there have been some questions about it, like can we use VMware as a virtualization software on the Mac OS for creating Windows virtual machines with the M1 Pro or with the M1 Max processor? So can it be actually utilized for the ARM processor Windows 11 version? So guys, we have tried to test VMware and there is a pre-release version already into the market. So it's right now available a pre-release version. If you want to use that, you can use it. So either you might be using M1 processor, M1 Pro processor, or with the M1 Max processor, you can use that. But the problem here is that it is currently not supported for the Windows 11 ARM operating system. So if you're using it for any of the ARM operating system for Windows 11, so it won't be supported, because when we go around to create a virtual machine in this version of VMware, so we can find that there are some operating systems that have been listed here is Linux. So there are different distributions of Linux, as well as there is another section that says FreeBSD 1464-bit ARM and FreeBSD 1364-bit ARM and other 64-bit ARM. So these are the current operating system choices that are given to us. And also when we try to download the Windows 11 ARM64 and then try to install it over here, there is a little bit of another problem. So the downloaded version of Windows 11 has an extension of VHDX. So we have this extension, and in VMware we require an ISO. So we can, by the way, download ISO. There's no problem over here. We can try to convert that. And there's also another website that's providing us the ISO version, that is UUP Dump. So if you're trying to get an ISO version for the Windows 11, you can go ahead to this website and you can get the ISO version. So we have even tried to get that, but the problem here is into the downloading process. So it currently do not downloads properly on any of the Mac OS machines. You'll be requiring a Windows machine to download the ISO version, then bring that into the Mac OS with the Apple Silicon, and then try to run that in VMware Fusion. So currently what they have support for is the Linux distributions. So if you want to use Linux distribution operating systems for virtual machine in the Mac OS, so that can be used, but Windows is currently not supported. But what we found till now is that if you want to create a virtual machine in the new Apple Silicon MacBooks, so the best software that is currently available into the market is Parallels. And Parallels works like charm. So there is absolutely no issues in using Parallels. Parallels can help you create any number of virtual machines. Also, it can provide you complete utilization of the CPU as well as GPU. It can provide you some gaming environments that can work really well, as well as development environments. So everything can work really well in Parallels. So Parallels is one of the best software that is currently available for virtual machine creation in the new Apple Silicon MacBooks. So if you want to, by the way, download that, there is already an offer running for students. If you want to download that, you can click in the link down in the description below. We have a 50% discount offer running right now on Parallels. So if you want to use that, the link is down in the description below. Go ahead and have a check through that. So guys, this is the complete update about VMware in the new MacBooks with the M1 Pro or with the M1 Max or the M1 processor. So if you have got any more questions, any more doubts, please leave that down in the comment section below. We'll be happy to reply that. And if you liked our video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, meet you in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.